This video is sponsored by AZDOME. More later on in the video. Oh man guys, what is going on today? D Creator here, back with another video, and we are finally fixing up the Fox body. If you didn't see on the last video, I messed up my brake line. I also need to put my exhaust back on because it came off. We are also going to be installing a new mod that you wouldn't think to put on a drift car. Let's go ahead and fix those things real quick, and I'll show you what that mod is. I'm glad I put these brackets on here, because that's the reason why it came out instead of just, you know, breaking my exhaust. $12 piece to replace. On second thought, we just gonna reuse this one. The closest part is like a 30-minute drive, so we're just gonna reuse this. Alright guys, so the next mod is actually for the Fox body, the inside of the Fox body. AZDOME sent me out a dash camera. Now, why would you need a dash camera for a drift car? Well, let me go ahead and tell you. I have a GoPro and it's mounted up to the side of my helmet, which is fine, but whenever I hit a bump, everything starts shifting and it doesn't look quite right, and it messes up. And plus, I kind of want to do something different with this dash camera. I'm not going to have it on my front window like how most people have their dash camera. I'm actually going to have it on my rear window. All right guys, we're going to go ahead and open up the box, see what's inside. Got the owner's manual. The rear facing camera comes with an extremely long cable. Here's the camera right here. It's also adjustable. This is for the camera. You also get a pry tool and some double-sided tape with some hooks. And this is the front-facing camera. It's very sleek, very small. It's also adjustable. And it also comes with a 64GB memory card. So let's go ahead and wire it up and plug it up and stick it on. I'm gonna have to figure out how I really want to mount it. So give me a second and I'll show you what I come up with. Alright guys, so this is how I mounted it on there. I have it tucked away behind this little red piece. The wire goes down through here, and I have a panel to go over all of this. Goes through here, underneath the carpet, underneath the fire extinguisher, and into my center console, and it plugs up right there. It's actually pretty good quality. I thought the rear facing camera was gonna be a little bit low quality, but it's actually really good quality. I'm actually gonna go ahead and record that so you can see how good the quality is. And of course you can have dual screen. That's the setup for right now. Let me go ahead and put the car back together. I was messing with some things, and let's see how it looks on the street. Alright guys, so as you can see, the dash camera works pretty nice. I was able to look at myself and see what I messed up on and what I'm doing wrong if I was doing something wrong. I also got a nice view of what the back of the Mustang looked like, how close I am to maybe an object, a wall or something like that. That'd be a nice shot for somebody that's trying to ride the wall. That's a pretty cool idea. I also did a few more mods to the car just to stiffen up the body, because as you can tell in my last drift event, I had a whole bunch of body roll. Thank you AZDOME for sending me out the dash camera. I feel like I can get some pretty cool shots with it. If you want to watch the last drift event I was at, go ahead, click on this video right here. It's going to send you straight to it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.